NDVI. How satellites help farmers track crop health and boost yields. Imagine being able to see how healthy your crops are without stepping foot in the field, almost like having a superhero view from above. That's exactly what NDVI, or Normalized Difference Vegetation Index, lets farmers do. NDVI uses satellite images or drone sensors to detect subtle differences in the light that plants reflect. Healthy crops absorb most of the red sunlight for photosynthesis but reflect near-infrared light. By comparing these two types of light, NDVI produces a number that tells farmers which areas are thriving, which need a little care, and which might be in trouble. The higher the NDVI value, the healthier the vegetation. Imagine a map of your farm where dark green areas mean your crops are flourishing, yellow or light green shows moderate growth, and brown highlights stressed or sparse plants. Farmers can spot problems like water stress, pest attacks, or nutrient deficiencies long before it's visible to the naked eye, saving both money and time. This isn't just guesswork, and NDVI provides precise, data-driven insights, allowing farmers to apply water, fertilizers, or pesticides only where needed, making agriculture smarter and more sustainable. It also helps predict yields weeks or even months in advance, so farmers, markets, and supply chains can plan better. The data comes from satellites like Landsat and Sentinel-2, drones flying over fields, or even specialized aircraft, providing high-resolution images of small plots or large regions. NDVI maps can be layered in GIS systems to track crop health over time, compare multiple fields, and combine with other environmental data like rainfall, soil moisture, and temperature for smarter decisions. Beyond farming, NDVI is used in forestry to monitor forest health and illegal logging, in cities to map green spaces, and by scientists to study the effects of climate change on vegetation globally. Of course, NDVI has its limits. Clouds can block satellites, soil or snow can confuse readings, and very stressed plants may appear similar to bare soil. But even with these challenges, it remains one of the most powerful tools to monitor plants from above. Think of a rice farmer noticing a section of the field with lower NDVI values, checking the irrigation system, fixing a blockage early, and saving the crop from potential losses. That's NDVI in action, quietly helping farmers save resources, protect food supplies, and contribute to a healthier environment. The technology even integrates with AI and cloud platforms, so maps and reports can be automatically generated without needing to manually interpret images. NDVI may sound technical, but it's really a simple, powerful way to see the unseen, to protect crops, conserve resources, and make smarter decisions for food, farming, and the planet. If this opened your eyes to the hidden power of satellites and maps like this post, share it with someone who loves farming or nature. Comment interesting. If you learned something new, follow Onyx Geospatial Solutions for more insights, and tell us which geospatial topic you want to explore next.